We have 68 divided by 2. So we have 6 tens and 8 units, and we want to divide that into 2 groups. So we can start by dividing our tens, and 6 tens divided into 2 groups gives us 3 tens in each group. Now we can share out our units. So 8 units divided into 2 groups gives us 4 units in each group. So 68 divided by 2 equals 34, because we now have 3 tens and 4 units in each group. Now we have 72 divided by 3. So we need to share out 7 tens and 2 units between 3 groups. So let's start by sharing our tens. So now we have 2 tens in each group, but we can't move our 7th 10 into this group. Why can't we have 3 tens in this group and 2 in the others? Well, when we divide, we need to share equally. So what can we do with this 10? We can break it up into units. So now we can share out 12 units between 3 groups. And that gives us 4 units in each group. So 72 divided by 3 equals 24, because we now have 2 tens and 4 units in each group. Now we have 123 divided by 3, but we can't move our 100 into one group because that wouldn't be sharing equally. So what do we need to do with this 100? We need to break up our 100 into 10 tens, or exchange 100 for 10 tens. So now we can share out our tens, and we have 4 tens in each group. So if we now share out our units, we've divided 123 into 3 groups, and we have 4 tens and 1 unit in each group. So 123 divided by 3 equals 41. Now we have 96 divided by 4. So let's start by sharing out our tens. And we have 2 tens in each group. But what do we need to do with our 9th 10? We can't move it to a group because that wouldn't be sharing equally. So instead, we need to exchange a 10 for 10 units, or regroup our 10 as 10 units. So now we have 16 units, and if we share 16 between 4 groups, that gives us 4 units in each group. So now we have 2 tens and 4 units in each of our 4 groups. So 96 divided by 4 equals 24.